My name is Sharon Glenn. I'm a professor in pathology here at University of Galway. So we've just acquired this new scanner from Milenti. It's an instrument that allows us to look at up to 100 biomarkers on a patient's tissue sample. So what happens at the moment now when a patient is diagnosed with breast cancer, we will check to see whether they express things like the estrogen receptor, progesterone receptor, HER2, a marker called Ki67, which would allow us to know how fast the tumour is growing. And at the moment, each one of those will have to be done on a separate piece of the patient's tumour, and it's a separate test each single time. So that could take several days to do, whereas with this instrument now, what we could do is we could actually look at all 4 of these markers instantaneously on the one tissue, probably within a matter of hours. So I think that really will potentially transform diagnosis for patients.
This new equipment will allow us to identify individual cells within tumours that may be responsible for metastasis, but also that have key markers on them that potentially will allow better ways of treatment.
We're really excited to have this new technology here at the Lambe Institute, and it will hugely increase the amount of research activities and the amount of information that we can learn about breast cancer here in Ireland. We're currently running a panel of 61 different protein markers, and it's going to take 7 days on one single piece of tumour. If that was done by hand, you would need at least 30 slices of tumour, and it would also take between 6 or 8 weeks.
As a pathologist, it's my job to identify those areas of tumour that are more aggressive or have certain characteristics to see where the cancers might respond to treatment better or where they have responded to treatment. So our new multiplex machine is going to be a real game changer for us. It's the equivalent of changing from black and white photograph to full colour and getting to see everything that cancer is doing on one slide.
We've spent probably about 4 or 5 years actually trying to raise the funds for this through a combination of donations from the NBCRI in partnership with HPE, and also the College of Medicine, Nursing and Health Sciences, and then the CÚRAM Research Ireland Centre for Medical Devices. Those 4 combinations have come together to allow us to raise the funds to buy this instrument.
Here at HP, we're very proud to have contributed to the purchase of a new scanner in the Lambe Institute, which is a long-term testament to the funding that we've raised during 2024. HPE Galway here has a very strong history of working with different charities every year, and I must say it was amazing for me to see how much people got behind us in all of our events. By the end of the year, we raised €130,000, which is a huge amount, and it's one of the highest we've ever raised from the site here in Galway. I'd also take the opportunity to thank the HPE management here, the committee here that did a fantastic job, the employees, Ray McGann from HPE Ireland, who helped promote this charity across the Leixlip and Cork sites as well. And without their help and their engagement, what we did would not have been possible. So a sincere thank you from me.
This equipment is great testimony to the tremendous support from companies such as HPE, and without that support we wouldn't be able to proceed with the kind of international class research that we do.
This really shows the strength of collaboration, to be able to get instrumentation like this that can have life-changing differences for patients. Now we can do this here at home, here in Galway.